Tell me how stupid I was for buying this.
Hey, Bluegrass, can we go thrift shopping?
Hello YouTube world, my name is Anthony Long. Welcome back to the Bluegrass Picker channel. You came back? Why? Sure glad you did. What I'm doing today is an unboxing. I got a couple auctions and just kind of wanted to show what's in it. I want people to comment and tell me if they've sold maybe some of these games. Tell me how to list it. Comment below. Tell me how stupid I was for buying this. I actually have a Nintendo 64 console that I can't test. I don't have any of this stuff, so I was gonna order it, but since this way I can test some of the old stuff that I already have, so it's kind of a win-win. I spent $280 on this, so it was pretty expensive. But I think in all, I should do pretty good. Quite a few games here. Start pulling them out. Pokemon Stadium. The sticker's good, so that's a good sign. Monster Truck Madness 64. This has got some stuff all over it, so it'll probably be something I put in with the consoles when I sell them. Destruction Derby 64. Revolt. Batman Beyond. And I got this in a YouTube auction, which I don't buy a lot in YouTube auctions anymore. But it's kind of nice to have some inventory. I don't have to go sourcing. Sometimes it's good just to have inventory going, get stuff going. But there's some pretty cool stuff in here. Memory card. Lamborghini. Pokemon Snap. So that's the second Pokemon game. World Driver. Off-Road Challenge. Now, if any of these are good, tell me. Tell me if you've sold them. 007. I've played this one many a times. Pokemon Puzzle League. I think that's interesting. Warzone. WWF. Which I'm sure that'll go for pretty good money. Army Men Air Combat. Banjo Kazooie. I think that one actually is worth a little bit of money. And 007 GoldenEye, which I've put in thousands of hours back in the early 2000s with that game. So I'm sure it still sells good. I forget what else was in here. There's two consoles. One console. I think that's the Rumble memory expansion. The other console. Anyway, wires, and that was one caveat. There was only wires for one of the machines. So then I had to decide, am I going to buy some more wires and sell it like that, or just sell it individually, which I'm most likely just going to buy some new wires. Two different Nintendo 64, and they're both Nintendo brand, so that's nice. I don't think there's a rumble pack in here. No, just more games, which there's a lot of games. Let's go over them. Throw these back in. Doom 64. Perfect Dark. Mortal Kombat Trilogy. Well worn, and I know why. I played this in GoldenEye, and Mario Kart. That's about all I played. I think, was King Griffey Jr.? I think King Griffey Jr. was on here too, and I played a lot of that. Paperboy. King Griffey Jr. Baseball is one of the best. Star Wars, Shadow of the Empire. That might go for some decent money. Star Wars Episode 1 pod racer things. I played that, I think, once or twice. The Powerpuff Girls, Chemical React. I don't know. Remember, tell me below, have you sold any of these games? Win Back, Covert Operation. Mortal Kombat 4. It's got some writing on there. I'd probably take that off with some, what do you call it? Goo gone. So the real money was the games here. Madden 64, which they just need cleaned up, which I don't mind doing. Excitebike 64, played a lot of that on the first Nintendo. Mortal Kombat Sub-Zero. Ooh, I may have to play this one before I get rid of it. Never played that one. And Mario Kart 64, which we know that'll sell for good money. And I might play that one for a while. A Mario Brothers, Super Smash Brothers, which anything Mario is collectible, if you don't know that. The Kirby 64 Crystal Shards, no idea. 007 GoldenEye, so that's 2 GoldenEye. This is a little bit better sticker on it. Super Mario 64, nice. There's a couple more games in here than I thought there were. And then Superman, I guess. So it's a lot of games. Let's see, how many games did I get? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 33 games. I think I did pretty good. With that memory card, get some of the highlights here. Sub-Zero Mortal Kombat, 64 Mario Kart, Super Smash Brothers, Super Mario, Pokemon Puzzle League, Banjo Kazooie, 007. Got 2 of those. Pokemon Snap, Pokemon Stadium, and a gold version. I don't know what that means. Not bad. It's 280 bucks. They actually owed me 40, so I only paid $240 for it. Another reason why I got it is like I had $40 credit. But yeah, comment below. Tell me if I had a miserable fail. I think 33 games, you know, 10 bucks a piece. That'll pay for the whole lot without selling any of the controllers or anything. So I'll keep you updated. But grind on, friends. Thank You by Led Zeppelin. Bluegrass Pickers. Stay tuned.